Owning my own inspection business was actually an addendum to the business that I was already doing. And at this point in time, it's about 50-50 of total revenue for the business, which is a lot better than what I had projected when I decided to add inspections to the business. Hi, I'm Dave McClain. I'm working presently out of the Phoenix, Arizona area, and I am a NRVIA certified inspector, and I also do mobile service. My experience with the NRVTA has been very, very positive on every level. I didn't even know what an inspector really did when I inquired with this, but working in the RV industry already as a mobile service tech, I had a pretty good idea of what it would be like, or at least I thought I did. I called Stephanie actually and told her, hey, I'll go ahead and pay the tuition, but I don't feel that I need to go and do all this. Can I just test out or something like that? She says, absolutely not. Will not do that, and you have to follow the instructions exactly the way they want you to learn. And boy, I'm glad that she told me that, because I picked up an enormous amount of information. Even for seasoned technician, the process that Howard Jarris and NRVIA does is absolutely top notch. At this present time, I have more work than I can get to. If you want to be an inspector, then it's a terrific, I would say, if you're going to do this for business, you must go through all of the program and work diligently on building your base, your repertoire. The reception of RV inspections is absolutely growing by leaps and bounds. I absolutely am in tune with that, because there is just a lot of business and a lot of potential business to be had.